we have the best purchase of the day, which is my first store I went to, which is Best Buy, and this is the Sonos Move 2. I was doing research and this seemed the perfect shape, the perfect modern, and it's like high quality and it's a great sound. So it was kind of hard because I'm like, do I spend on something that expensive? It's a speaker and I already have the JBL Flip. Let me show you guys. I have the JBL Flip 4. So look at how the size of it in my hands, 2 hands on it. It's like the size of my hand. It's very small, it's portable, it's loud, and I take this to the beach, I throw it in my bag, hook it up Bluetooth. Anyone can hook it up Bluetooth and it just pops up on their phone with ease. Well, technically I don't need another portable. I'm gonna take this to the beach. It's easy, it's quick, it's light. I can throw it around. It's not, if it hits the ground, it's totally fine. Doesn't scratch. This one is the most expensive one. That's a portable one you can get, which is, it's actually $500, but they had $100 off at Best Buy, so I got it for $400. So it was a deal. Anyways, but pretty much, so I was trying to do between the small one, which was like this size, a little bit maybe smaller or different shape. There was a medium size that actually came with a dock. So, you know, like we have the iPhone and I place my iPhone on the pad all the time and I go to sleep. It's so quick and easy. It hooks on and then it charges. It had that for the medium size. So I was like, ooh, should I be doing that one? Because that's sick. I like to have a little place to put it in to charge. I don't have to ever do a plug ever again. And it was really loud. It was amazing sound still. It wasn't as loud as this one, but it still was an incredible sound. And us on live streaming, when we're live streaming, you guys wouldn't notice that it wasn't like the nicest one. You guys could not notice on live stream. So I was like, but for sure I was going portable at this point because I knew it was going to save me money in the long run. But now it's like the dock one that's medium size and it's cute and it feels like still like silicone. So like it's like a little shape like this and I like how it feels in my hand. Or do I stick with this same like thick, like oval shaped, but this one has a hole? And I told him, I was like, I don't know if I like this hole. The way I touch it, the back, I feel like unstable, like I'm gonna drop it. And then he was like, oh, actually, yeah, I see what you're saying, but you can actually grab it right here and if you won't drop it because it's a handle. And he sold me. And we have the best portable speaker on the market. And it's the cutest and the modernest. Okay, loves. Let's unbox it. Also, he did said it if I did not like it because I also wanted to see it. I asked him, I was like, can I like open the box and like see it before I buy it? And he said I couldn't. He said that you can return it but we can't open it right now because I wanted to see the difference between like what it looks like in white because all of it was black. I just wanted to see what the white looks like I can touch the white and feel the white, and you know what I mean, but he said no. So we have it here. I cut it, I sliced it, and then let's see, we have this little thing. Okay, oh, just popped out. Let's open this up. Wow. Okay, so it does have a base. They told me it is not a charger, but it does come with the base. Oh, wait, why do you have to plug the base in? Is this base a charger? He said that wasn't the case. But then why is the base connected to a charger? Okay. So I guess this and this connects. So maybe this is a charging base. If so, I'll be so happy. But if not, it's okay. But like still, that means I won't have to ever plug anything in. So that's like so amazing. 1, connect, move to power. OMG. Charging base, plug the charging base into the... Yes, this is a charging base. No way. This is perfect. Oh my God, I love this so much more now. I was debating between I would have purchased this easy. I was in the store for way too long. If he would have told me that, he told me there wasn't a charging base. Wow. So literally all I have to do is set it there and it charges. This is crazy. Okay. And then you can also connect on the go if you'd like in public, if you want to connect to like a portable charger. If you're this is a portable speaker, you can plug it into that one too. Download the Sonos app for setup. Okay. And that's it. Okay, so pretty simple, easy to understand, nothing too crazy of a speaker. You just plug in the base, put it on and charge it so then it's full, and then just download the app. And then all the buttons of powering on and off and Bluetooth will all be on the device. You just click them and everything just, that's what I wanted in a company. I wanted a company that anyone can just click the button. They understand what the Bluetooth is. They click it and it pairs to their phone. And that's what this company does. And it has a charging base, so incredible. Okay, let's see. What's next? Wow. Holy guys, look at this. Whoa. This is probably one of the most expensive portable speakers on the market, actually, I think. This is like the highest end. Okay, so right here I have, okay, that's why he said this was better than this company. I didn't realize, but I liked how this company was, right? It was like, you can just grab it like this from all angles and it's like a cylinder. But I was like, why do they have this hole back here? I don't like this. I don't want to touch a hole. He was like, it's because you can just pick it up from it. And that's the same one as my other one was, which actually makes it so much easier to carry. You literally just lift it. Holy shit. And you can take it, it's portable, so you can put it anywhere. And instead of having to grab with two hands like you have to do with that one, you don't have to do that with this one. Okay, so this is Move 2. Wait, do I grab from here? Yeah, right? Yeah. Wow. Okay. So we're just gonna like fold the flaps back. Ooh, it's a little dirty right there, I see. Okay, this is where I told you this part's gonna get dirty. It kind of already sees like there's something right here that's not supposed to be there. Again, my perfectionism, like it's gonna, but it doesn't matter. It's okay. It's a small little thing. I'll grab something to wipe it right now. It seems like it's not a scratch though. It's so soft, but again, it could get scratched really easily. It's okay. Let's see. So, wow. Okay, this is the softest rubber you can think about. Like, it's not even, can't even compare. Oh yeah, this one grips your finger. Like, you can't go back and forth this smoothly because it's super, super leather and like a dense leather. This one feels like so... Do you hear the sound, how it's smooth? That other one doesn't sound like that. Such a soft, like leatherish, I don't know, just quality. Just quality. And then this, what's cool about this one is it like wraps around, so it's coming from this. So I'd probably put it in like a corner of the room. And again, this is like a modern piece, like because it's not like a going out, like that one my dad has is like a party one. Like you can take that to the beach, you can take that, like there's certain companies is more like, it just looks like party. This is just like modern, but like quality. So let's go to the back. Ooh. Oops. I should have lifted that. That would have been the smart way to hold a speaker. So this is what got me, like that was weird for me. But then he explained it's the handle. So if you were to take it to go, this is how you hold it and you protect it, and it's like heavier. And that's what ended up selling me. And I was like, okay. Power button, click on. This is the Bluetooth. And if you have a microphone, on and off if you want to use it. And then the charger goes here. So I'll plug this in, but let's kind of just see it in the base. I love it. She's cute. Let's put her on. Actually, we should test her. Let's test her. Sorry, guys. So it's on. We're pushing done. That was actually quicker than it said. It said several minutes, but I think it took like less than a minute. Welcome home, Organize your content, find your Sonos favorites, and access controls from your home screen. Oh, from the home screen, wow. Choose where your content plays, select where you want your content to play, and create groups of speakers. Oh yeah, so the more Sonos products I get in the future, they'll all connect together so I can listen to music and be going through all the speakers of all the house. If I had a speaker in every single room or a sound bar in every single room or something, all of it, the music would connect or whatever. Okay, ready guys? Let's listen. 1. That's crazy. It got so laggy, it like hurt my ears. I had to turn it down. It was bad. I wanted to see though how high I could get just for a second, but it was way too loud. It was like hurting. But it's good. I like it. And it's modern. It feels good. It sounds good. It's good. It sounds good. I think it is amazing. It is in the corner right now. Normally it'll be in the front, but the sound sounds amazing. It's beautiful. It's loud. It gets loud. I won't use it that loud. Most of the time we won't use it that loud, especially if we're like moved out and renting out a room. We cannot go that high like I did because I was way too loud and it hurt my own ears. But of course we'll have it at a decent like sound that doesn't hurt or disrupt other people, but also is loud enough for us to vibe and like feel the music in our hearts and souls. So yeah, it is beautiful. I love her and I wanted her to be big. I like it bigger than the other one. Yes, it's expensive. Yes. Could it be overkill? 100%, because we're in a room. We're not like outdoors. If I was outdoors with that portable speaker, it would be so loud in the middle of the beach, and that would be a great use for it, for the loudspeaker. But most likely it's gonna stay here with us. But I do just like having the nicest things. And yeah, it was only $100 more. Like, and again, having this for 15 years in the future, taking care of it, $100 more is not that much. And to get the best, the loudest, if you want to get it that loud, and all of the features and stuff, and it has the bass charger as well as the other one did, so you can't go wrong. I like it, honestly, and I would buy it again, the same full price, because again, I'm going to be having it for like 15 years down the line. I'm going to take care of it just like my other one I took care of. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. Again, we're on the chart. We have it on the charger right now. Normally it'll be in front, but I'm going to start keeping the charger hidden back here, and it's on the charging base for the speaker. I love her. She's beautiful.